Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect the Facebook Graph API with N8N step by step so you can start working with Facebook data inside your workflows. This method is simple and works for beginners, so let's get started. First, open N8N. Click on the New Node button and search for Graph. From the results, select Facebook Graph API. Now click on Create New Credential. You'll notice that N8N requires an access token, so let's generate one. Open your browser and go to the Facebook Developer Dashboard. Click on Add New App, then select Create App ID. Complete the CAPTCHA and finish creating your app. Next, go to the Graph API Explorer. At the top, replace the default app with the app you just created. Now click Get Token and choose Get User Access Token. A permissions window will pop up. Select the permissions your app needs, then click Get Access Token. Confirm all permission requests. Once the token is generated, click the info icon next to the token. Then click Open in Access Token tool. From here, click Extend Access Token. Copy the extended access token. Go back to N8N, paste the token into the Access Token field, and save the credentials. That's it. Your Facebook Graph API is now successfully connected to N8N and ready to use in your workflows. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.